Hey guys!
Got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. Got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. Got my Vans on, but they look like sneakers. Wearing coat whites, but my Vans look cleaner.
Okay, so for this video today, either this is gonna be like one of those videos where it's people that dye their hair at home and it turns out like amazing, or it's gonna be one of those videos where my hair falls out. Let's hope it is neither. So this is just gonna be, this is more like a relaxed type video compared to the other one. So it's just gonna be me talking to a camera and yeah, and doing my hair. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the kit that I took. It is Colorista by L'Oreal and highlights Beach and Play. So you know what? And it says quick and easy DIY. So let's see if it is. Be right back. Just need to get some scissors. Ah! That was off to an amazing start. Okay, but if not, I have everything else like right near me normally. Okay, so let's just cut this open. Bit. Okay, so in this we have, hopefully, it will turn out good. As I said, I'm gonna repeat this throughout the whole video because I'm really stressed. So we have like a little highlight brush. I'm still unsure if like I want to actually use this because some people, like I watch like a lot of videos, which makes me of course an expert in this field of highlighting and bleaching and all that, but I think what I'll do is I'll like alternate. I read the instructions, and so now we're just going to do what they say. So first we're going to take this little guide, and I'm just going to like mix this, and this all in this thingy, and then like shake it, and yeah, and then we'll get started. Okay, so I put all the mixture, so I put it all like in this thing. So I'll show you guys. So as you can see, this is all the relaxed part, and so my transitioning hair, it comes up until like, I want to say like here. So it's not too bad. But yeah, and the relaxed part, like it isn't, like I waited for it to all be like super healthy, and I mean, like it doesn't look too bad, you know, just like the fact that they're two textures, but you know. So I saw in like some videos they said, I'm just like mixing and matching like stuff that I've seen on the videos. So I said to put a little bit of coconut oil. I mean, I usually always do like a hot oil mask with coconut before I wash my hair, so that was like 2 days ago. So I'm just gonna put it in. I think what I'll do is I'll try for the underneath parts, I'll use like this brush thingy. This isn't gonna end well. Okay. Let's put our gloves on. So this isn't really a tutorial because as you can see, I am no expert. This is my first time bleaching my hair, in fact, completely in my whole entire life. Oh wait, no actually. Okay, so basically when I was a child, not a, like in middle school, okay, let me just, I like, my mom, she bleaches her hair and she has like a blonde platinum hair, and so she always has like bleach in tube, you know, around in the bathroom in the house, right? And so it was like at the time we're like tie and dye ombre, and it was really in. Holy fucking shit. So yeah, it was like really in at the time, and I was like, oh, I was taking a shower and I was looking through like the closet and I was like, ooh, this could be fun. And so I put it like, I can't even remember how I did. I think I really put it on as a cream, and then like this part was darker and the rest was like lighter, but it wasn't even like blonde. And no one even noticed actually. Like my mom just thought that my hair took a lot of sun, and so my hair does get lighter in the sun, you know. And so she's like, oh wow, the sun really got to you this summer. And I was like, yeah, it did. Because obviously my mom didn't want me to like dye my hair at that age. What did you do? Or like one time I convinced a friend to like cut my hair for me, and it was literally like diagonal. And each time he's just like, no. She's like, why didn't you just come to me? So if he sees this, he's probably gonna be cringing the whole time. Okay, so I'm like repassing at the bottom and like just all over to make sure that I didn't. Look at this piece, it's already like lightening up. What? Like, is it already getting lighter? Oh my god, is it? Not the back, how it looks, but when you're trying to like do a sexy like hair flip thingy, but your hair is a total mess. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I washed it with the shampoo that they gave me, and then also a purple shampoo. And the purple shampoo, I left it in for like 10 minutes, and now I just have like a deep treatment mask in. And already when it's like wet, it looks lighter, like, because I know what my hair looks like when it's wet, and when it's wet, it looks like dark brown, and so it already has like light parts. But I'll come back, show you guys what it looks like all dry and ready. Okay, anyways. So this is the final look. I like it. So it's kind of like, I don't even know how to describe the color. Like, oh, that looks good. It's kind of like, I want to say like an ashy blonde. Okay, so basically what I did is, so like I did the highlights as you saw like in the video, and then I like washed it and conditioned it, and I woke up the next morning. I'll show like a little clip, I look disgusting in it, but and I woke up the next morning and I felt it was like a little bit too orangey, because like my undertones of my hair like naturally are like I naturally already have like orange reflex in my hair. So I think like by highlighting it, I probably didn't keep it on long enough, because for some reason I was like really scared that like I was gonna leave the bleach on and that all my hair was gonna fall out. So like it took me an hour to put everything in, and then I want to say I left it on for like 30 minutes, something like that. So yeah, so I didn't really like it, and I got online, like at the same time that I got the highlights as well, I got this. And so this is Adore 150 Platinum, and so it's a semi-permanent hair color, and it's vegan. So it's like really, when you put it on, like your hair like felt really healthy as well. And so anyways, and so I was like, you know, when I purchased it, I was like, oh well, if it's gray, you know, it's gonna like, in case my hair turns orange, it will make it a little bit ashier, and it actually did. Like, I wasn't expecting this, and I didn't leave it on that long. So like basically what I did is I woke up in the morning, wasn't happy, did some research, put this on. I left it on for literally 10 minutes, because like while I was waiting to put it on, I put it on my whole hair all over, And while I put it on, I was like, oh, let me look at some reviews, you know. And on the reviews, it said, it was like people that left it on for like 30 minutes. And they said, and their hair was light. And they're like, oh yeah, it was like a gray, bluish tone. And I was like, oh god, no. And so I left it in for like 10 minutes. And I washed it out with this purple shampoo. And this is like the first time that I've used a purple shampoo. And it's amazing. I didn't know. Like, it's so soft and it smells so good. Anyway, so I used that, conditioned my hair again, and then I just let it dry, and I put my hair in 2 Dutch braids at night like I usually do, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, I didn't like film this part because I was just super impatient. Like, I'm the type of person where like I want to do something and it was like really impromptu. I was like, okay, you know what, I'm just gonna do it, fuck it. Like, if it turns out bad, whatever, I'll just have to live with it because I don't want to dye my hair like too many times. So it actually turned out, I'm actually really happy. Like, for my first time dyeing my hair, and it looked like, it isn't a disaster if you want. Like, they're like some cool, look at this highlight, you know. Wait, okay. Like, that one is my favorite one. And then this one as well, like underneath. So yeah, anyways, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I mean, like, obviously each person's hair isn't going to turn out the same, but I don't know, maybe like my technique of like gray semi-permanent hair dye works, and it's a new invention and no one came up with it. And then I'm gonna like read in the comments, people are like, oh yeah, people do this all the time. But you know, for me, I didn't see this online and I'm pretty happy. Like, it looks nice. I like it. Anyways, okay guys, so I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll be very, very, very grateful. Bye. Okay, I'm just gonna dab it.